Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video I am going to show you how you can make this kind of animation effect video in Canva. First go to Canva website and then on the top right corner click on create a design and then go to the video. Now go to element and then select an image. Now adjust the image. Now go to edit image and then click on magic grab. Click on the object which one you want to grab and then click on grab. Now go to the animate and then select on baseline. Select on enter and then decrease the speed. Now go to the text and add a heading and type a text. Change the font. Make the font uppercase. Change the color to white and then click on effect. Select leaf style and then increase the intensity. Now increase the text size. Now go to animate and then select baseline and then select direction. Now decrease the speed. Now right click on above the text and then show timing. Now let's play. So this is how you can make this kind of animation effect in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.